How to change password on Shopify Store. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, and then from the sales channels section, click on your store, then click on preferences. And here you need to scroll all the way down to the password protection section, and from here you can change your password. In the password field just enter your password, say for example, and once you're done, click on the save button at the top right of the screen and it will be saved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your password in Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.